Experience the future live. For 4 days that's possible. In Munich at Automatica. Welcome to day 2. Today we're once again showing you intelligent automation and innovative robotics of tomorrow. Our daily highlights. One of the big players at the fair is of course KUKA. The Augsburg-based robotics giant is presenting its new and further developed cobots. Easy. The name says it all. We have here in the background our LBR Easy, which has been extended in the family with 2 more models with 6 and 8 kilogram variants. And our new operating system, the KUKA OS, has also been given a new software version, and we're now getting simpler, more intuitive, more robust in terms of software, and also more expandable. The Fraunhofer Institute stands for top-class research and development, especially innovative, reaching into the box with intelligent 3D bin packing afterwards. In other words, automated packing of any item directly into the shipping box. An interesting solution, especially for large warehouses. Yaskawa is presenting a new collaborative cobot specifically for the food and pharmaceutical industry. Liquids and powders can be precisely dispensed to 5 milliliters or grams into the jars on intelligent load cells. Thanks to the special coating, cleaning is also food and pharma safe. The Machine Vision Pavilion is the place to perfect your image. The special LASER World of Photonics and Automatica area is a real magnet for everyone enthusiastic about the latest technologies and trends in industrial image processing. Intrinsic is the first software and AI company from Alphabet, the parent company of Google, to be at Automatica. The startup is celebrating a huge premiere. This is actually our first public appearance. We had a product keynote a couple of weeks ago where we presented our first product, Flow State. And then we decided we wanted to go to Automatica. This is where the European robotics industry meets up and where we want to present ourselves as Intrinsic for the first time. And visitors to the trade show can also register directly for our first private beta program. So there's also a very clear call to action for our visitors. Bosch Rexroth has started automating the recycling process of batteries for e-vehicles. An important process here is to fully discharge the batteries. The new technology ensures that the cells become chemically inactive very quickly. No more cumbersome manual work. For the booming market of e-vehicles, this is a technology for the future. And today's Daily Vision also deals with climate protection. Our vision as an industry is above all to convince new industries that haven't yet benefited from using robotics in their production at all. The huge sector of small and medium-sized enterprises in particular has enormous potential. And there's also massive energy-saving potential if they use more robotic solutions in their production.